Here I've got Spiphone A10 Pro, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick battery, and then click on the more icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and here select battery saver. Now you can simply activate it by tapping on this switcher, so from now on it's active. Here you can see the red line, that means that your device is in low power solution now. You can obviously switch it off the same way, simply by tapping on the switcher. You can also set some rule, simply by tapping on turn on automatically. You can pick 5 or 15% battery, let me pick the second option. So from now on, every time your battery is lower than 15%, power saving mode will be automatically activated. That would definitely improve your battery life. So that would be all. This is how you can activate power saving mode on your device, how you can protect your battery. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.